So how to change the animation? So basically, you can already update because you got the input left and right, and then you change the direction according to the speed of 200, and you can actually move. So that's the reason when I click play, you can actually move. But you can only get one animation, which is not good enough. So what we are going to do is to update it. Remember, this update animation is called here physical process. So basically, oh, we did not call that. So we need to call that to update. Sorry, silly mistake. So previously it does not work. That's another reason it does not work. So sorry about that. I need to update animation. So this time I can like update here, even though we got like the idle animation 2. Still, I can update and make animation 1. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. If you previously you are screaming about this, yeah, sorry, I made a silly mistake. But we're going to add so much more. So for example, if it's idle, and if it's not idle, it must have some like the sign, positive or negative, right? So basically, we can get the velocity, x velocity, and then we can get that sign as a direction. Okay, so basically everything put that inside the sign, so we can get is whether it should move this way or that way. And then this way we can have the animation, and animation also have a scale. So basically, if that scale is positive, it's just this way. Negative will flip the whole animation. So this is like a quick way to scale and change direction. Okay. So that means the animation scale x is the sign velocity. Animation, I think you need to add s here. Okay, and then I'm going to play the simple run animation. So animations dots, and then we can say play. That, remember, here should get exactly the same name of the animation declare here. I think it's a run. So yeah, exactly. So basically, if you play this, you change in any direction, you have this run animation going on, right? And I can flip the sides as well. How good is that? And you can get like a idle animation here. If I move, we got this trailing, and it's like a squish a little bit. How good is that? All right, pretty good, huh? Pretty good. I love it. And it's pretty smooth. If you go left and right, it's pretty smooth. I love this like a moving slime. Okay, pretty good. All right, pretty good, huh? Pretty good.